this position. Equally important is the administration and management of the Department of Health. And so I'm also very pleased to announce today, the appointment of Stephanie McCloud to be our new health director. After I was elected, I appointed her to serve as our director of the Bureau of Workers' Compensation, BWC. She has done a phenomenal job managing an agency of 1,800 people and over $28 billion in assets. Director McCloud understands how state government operates, and she knows how to get things done. She's a collaborator. She has the management and administrative expertise we need in these challenging times. She has the experience necessary to lead the department as it carries out its vitally important health functions while at the same time battling this pandemic. The department focuses on the health of the population as a whole, what we might consider our macro health issues. And much of that focus is on injury and illness prevention. Director McCloud has many years of experience in the workers' compensation system doing just that. At the Bureau of Workers' Compensation, she has been responsible for the health and safety of Ohio's 5.7 million person workforce. She has worked doggedly to ensure the availability of appropriate and innovative treatment options. She has ensured that health care was delivered to our injured and ill workforce on a macro level. From 2018 to 2019, Director McCloud served as a township trustee, the Truro Township Trustee, where she has overseen the emergency medical services and fire services provided to 28,000 residents, which includes about 7,500 service runs each year. Also, Director McCloud has considerable experience in the area of mental health and addiction treatment, an area that is one of the top 3 priority health concerns in our state's health improvement plan that comes out of the Department of Health. She has spent over a dozen years on the board of Maryhaven, one of Central Ohio's oldest and most comprehensive behavioral health care providers. Also, she has spent 6 years on the board for counselors, social workers, and marriage and family therapists, where she dealt with the licensing issues, as well as regulating and drafting the rules for Ohio's mental health clinicians. Most recently, under Director McCloud's leadership, BWC has engaged in the prevention of substance use disorders through the Substance Use Recovery Program, drug disposal systems, and a tightening of the drug formulary, including the removal of OxyContin from that. Director McCloud and her team have also worked quickly to support the state's efforts to combat the effects of COVID-19 by, 1, providing $8 billion in 3 dividends back to small businesses this year, a total of $8 billion. Second, changing the BWC safety grant process by sending out 2 rounds of face masks to employers throughout the state. 3, sending team members to support the Ohio Department of Jobs and Family Services, the Ohio Department of Aging, and the Ohio Emergency Management Agency. I have a great deal of confidence in Director McCloud. In fact, just this week, an editorial in Crane's Cleveland Business praised BWC as a, quote, fast, aggressive, and decisive in its response to helping employers and workers weather the pandemic. That is due to Director McCloud's great leadership. She is forward-thinking, forward-looking. She knows how to bring people together. She knows how to bring about consensus. She just gets the job done every single day. She'll be leading and driving our response moving forward with the full weight of the rest of the ODH leadership team behind her. The team is critical and remains critical. In addition to Dr. Vanderhoff, Director McCloud will have both Lance Himes and Kathleen Madden on that team.